Welcome to Debunking Real Estate Myths. In our series this month, we are dissecting common misconceptions in the real estate world regarding homeownership and home investment. This week, we're addressing the myths surrounding renovations and home value. Many believe that all renovations and upgrades significantly boost a home's value. But is this the whole truth? Let's dive into the realities of home improvements, understand their impact on property value, and explore which renovations offer the best return on investment. Renovating a home can be exciting and rewarding, but it's important to approach these projects with a clear understanding of their impact on your home's value. Not all improvements yield high returns, and market trends play a crucial role in determining their value. Let's unravel these renovation myths. First, it's essential to recognize that not all renovations will equally increase a home's value. Some projects, like kitchen and bathroom remodels, typically offer better returns due to their appeal to buyers. On the other hand, highly personalized renovations may not appeal to the broader market. Understanding local market trends is also crucial. What adds value in one area might not in another. For instance, adding a pool in a region with a colder climate may not yield as much as return as in a warmer region. Energy efficiency improvements can also increase value, appealing to environmentally conscious buyers and potentially offer savings on utility bills. However, the degree of value added can vary based on the local market's emphasis on sustainability. Myth: all renovations significantly increase home value. Reality: the value added depends on the type of renovation and market trends. Myth: expensive renovations always lead to high returns. Reality: some cost effective upgrades can offer better returns than high end remodels. It's important to consult with real estate professionals before undertaking major renovations. They can provide insight into which improvements are most likely to increase your home's value in your specific market. In conclusion, while renovations can enhance your home's appeal and functionality, their impact on market value varies. Understanding which improvements offer the best return on investment and aligning with the market trends is key to making wise renovation decisions. Thank you for joining us on Debunking Real Estate Myths. Before you embark on your next home improvement project, remember to consider its market value impact. Subscribe, and share your renovation experiences or questions in the comments below. Stay informed and strategic with your home upgrades.